Hello friends, welcome. Today in this video, I will show you how you can install Postman in your Mac operating system. Friends, basically there are three ways to install Postman in your Mac operating system. The first one is you can use Homebrew. The second one is we can use Web API. In this basically we don't have to install Postman. We simply have to sign in this Web API. Then the last one is download zip file and extract them. So now let us discuss one by one. First of all, I will show you how we can install Postman using Homebrew. For this, we have to go to terminal. Friends, now I am in terminal. Here, you simply have to run a command brew install --cast Postman. When we run this command, it will do all the things. We don't have to do anything. We just have to wait for some time. It will install Postman. Now this message appears. Postman was successfully installed. Now you can simply go to your application folder. You will find an app named Postman. You can open that and use it. Friends, I have opened this applications folder. Here you can see Postman has been installed. So friends, when you double click on the Postman app, it will open and here you will see this type of interface. Now you have to simply go to this plus icon and you have to click this. When you click this, it will open this type of interface. Here you can put your URL, whatever you want to hit, and you can also select the methods from here. So I'm not going to show all the details. I will make separate video on this. But for now, this is the way in which we can install Postman using Homebrew. Now let us move to the second method, how we can use Postman using Web API. For this, let us go to our favorite browser. In your favorite browser, you have to simply type Postman and then click enter. Here you will find many options. Here we will be using this API. So simply click on this. When we click on this, it will open an interface like this. Here it will show you some kind of informations. First of all, you have to create an account in the Postman. Then you will be able to create your workspace. Here I have already signed in, that's why it is not asking to sign in. Now you have to simply click on this. When you click on this, it will again open this type of interface which we have seen in the Postman desktop application. So this way we can use Postman Web API. That's all for this video, friends. Thanks.